How often do you check in with your body, truly paying attention to the signs it may be sending about your health? It's an integral part of self-care, yet so many of us overlook it. One such condition that often slips under the radar is thyroid cancer. A common but frequently ignored ailment, it's important to be vigilant about the subtle signals our body might be sending us. Today, we're going to share the 7 warning signs of thyroid cancer that you must not ignore. The first warning sign is a lump or swelling in your neck. This lump, often painless, might feel like a small, firm knot situated near the base of your neck. Its size can vary, but it's typically about the size of a marble. Now, why might a lump form? Well, when cells in your thyroid gland mutate and multiply rapidly, they can form a lump, potentially signaling thyroid cancer. If you notice a lump in your neck, it's crucial to have it checked out by a professional. The second warning sign is difficulty swallowing. This can occur if a tumor in the thyroid gland grows large enough to press on your esophagus, making it harder to swallow food or even liquids. However, do remember that difficulty swallowing can be attributed to various conditions, not exclusively thyroid cancer. Yet it's crucial to rule out this possibility. If you're having trouble swallowing, don't ignore it. Get it checked. It's always better to be safe when it comes to your health. The third and fourth warning signs are changes in your voice and a persistent cough. Thyroid cancer can lead to a hoarse or weak voice as the tumor applies pressure to the voice box. Similarly, a persistent cough not related to a cold or allergies could be a symptom. The key word here is persistent. If your voice change or cough doesn't seem to go away, it's a flag that should not be ignored. If you notice these changes, it's time to consult with a healthcare professional. The last 3 warning signs are neck pain, trouble breathing, and high-pitched sounds when breathing. Let's delve into these symptoms. Neck pain, particularly at the front of the neck, can be a sign of thyroid cancer. This is due to the tumor pressing on the nerve that controls sensation in your neck and throat. Trouble breathing, on the other hand, can occur when a tumor grows large enough to obstruct the windpipe, making it difficult for air to get in and out of the lungs. Lastly, high-pitched sounds when breathing, also known as stridor, can be a result of the tumor narrowing the airway. This can cause the air to whistle as it passes through, creating a high-pitched sound. These symptoms can often be mistaken for less serious conditions, such as a common cold or allergies. However, when these signs occur together, it's crucial to get them checked out. Thyroid cancer is treatable if caught early, so don't dismiss these signs. These symptoms, particularly when they occur together, should be taken very seriously. Your body is smart. It sends you warning signs when something isn't right. Let's do a quick recap of the 7 warning signs of thyroid cancer we've discussed. A lump in the neck, difficulty swallowing, changes in voice, a persistent cough, neck pain, trouble breathing, and high-pitched sounds when breathing. These symptoms may seem ordinary or even insignificant, but they could be indicative of an underlying issue that needs attention. Thyroid cancer, like many other health issues, can be effectively managed when detected early. Remember, it's not about being paranoid or anxious, but about being proactive and attentive to your body's signals. If you notice any of these signs, it's crucial to seek medical advice. Don't let fear or uncertainty hold you back. Your health is not just about feeling good, it's about ensuring a vibrant and fulfilling life. If you're experiencing any of these symptoms, don't ignore them. Your health is your wealth, so take action today and get checked.